Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Pretty Glam Fits. Today I'm going to show you a simple yet elegant hairband hairstyle that's perfect for any wedding guest look. As you follow along, you'll see how easy it is. First, part your hair into 2 equal sections, then cross one section over the other and create a neat knot. After that, gently pull and shape it into a sleek bun and secure with a decorative pin. This style is not only elegant, but also really on trend right now, and it looks gorgeous with both sarees and Western outfits. Thank you for watching my video, and if you try this style, please let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.